purple ice cream?
Yeah, wow.
Mommy also wants that. Mommy, I want
Wow,
that.
so many.
Mommy, I want a purple ice cream.
Okay. Suba. Yay, we came back here. Yeah, we're just gonna stay here. You want that too?
Mommy, yeah.
Oh. For a while, I just have to look. What's this one? Oh, no, 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 don't touch anything, Skylar. Yeah. Oh, look at that. There's so many Filipino foods. Look at the bread. Look at the bread here. Oh, wow. This is empanada. That's empanada, the one that you liked before, eh?
Mommy, where?
Oh, we made it in the Philippines before. Oh, you like that? Hot dog bun.
Where is it, Mommy?
What?
Where is it?
There, it's there. Empanada.
Mommy?
There's a turon. Oh, wow. There's lots of Filipino foods here.
Mommy, can you like do this?
We have to wait for Dada.
Like doing this to the empanada or something?
Empanada? No, the empanada is there. We have to wait for Dada.
Where, Mommy? Where?
Okay, let's go here, Skylar. Benjamin. Oh, look. Wow. Shit, that's rare. Look at the puto and everything. Wow. Wow, eh? You like that, Pia Benjamin? Oh, look at that.
Mommy, what's this?
Want?
This one.
That one is sliced braso. This one the ube. You want ube again? Okay.
No, Mommy, I want the purple ice cream.
Purple ice cream.
That's right here.
That's not an ice cream. It's a cake.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna get one.